What is up, people of First Feature? Dale here, and today we will be talking about interaction and engagement. So, talk to me. How do we get our students' attention, and how do we keep them engaged at all times? We can use realia and teaching tools for younger students. You can use VC tools such as the chat box, the trophy system, and the virtual pen to shake things up. You can also show flashcards, commendation cards, stuffed toys, and puppets. These things can make a class more colorful and exciting for younger students. They can attract kids to participate and focus more on the lesson. Next, let's talk about building good rapport. Make friends with your students. Make them feel comfortable by getting to know them better. Ask the right questions. Always ask interesting questions to get the student talking. Try asking about their interests or recent activities. Let's avoid asking questions like, what did you eat for dinner? What did you study at school? What did you do at school? Because these questions are repetitive and, let's be honest, a bit boring. Time to change your questioning style. Talk about your students' activities and ask, what's new with them? Maybe point out their new shirt or maybe their new hairstyle. Be creative and try not to ask the same questions over and over and over again. Some quick tips for asking the right questions. Number 1, know your student. Number 2, keep your questions short and simple. Number 3, ask simple and level appropriate questions. And number 4, ask follow-up questions about the lesson. Finally, let's talk about STT and TTT, which stands for Student Talk Time and Teacher Talk Time. A simple allocation of STT and TTT is 70% student and 30% teacher. It really depends on the student's level, but we should always encourage the student to speak more. So why should the student speak most of the time? The goal is to make the students express themselves to the fullest in English. It's the job of the teacher to guide the student in class and to ensure that the objectives of the lesson are met. Online teachers should be facilitators and not lecturers. They should keep the conversation going by asking good follow-up questions while avoiding sharing unnecessary personal stories. And that has been interaction and engagement. This has been Dale, signing out.